Hey you guys, welcome back to the Hall of Anime. My name is Dawson, and again, today we're going to be reviewing... Okay, I can't say again because we haven't done this yet. I was thinking about doing, for my first manga review type thing, I was going to do Batum because Batum's my favorite manga. Um, just something about it that I love. Anyway, I decided not to. And if you guys guessed from the video, I'm doing Terra Formars, the first volume of the manga, which is the first 6 chapters. So, what was I going to say? If you saw my video the other day, you got to see my manga collection, and I said I picked up Terra Formars, right? The manga. The first volume while I was at Barnes & Noble. This is really good. And so, what I got out of this, basically, is the Earth is... It has a lot of people on it. The population is very high, and the scientists in the past thought ahead of this. And they thought, well, we need a way to be able to, if our planet starts to completely fail, there aren't any more resources, that trees are, or like the planet itself is dying, or something like that. We need to be able to go somewhere else, or colonize somewhere else, or have half the race move, so that, you know, so that it's not too overpopulated. Well, the closest planet in our solar system to be able to actually be on is Mars, which is the closest to Earth. Not closest as in time, but closest as in like how they both work. So they decide that the best possible way... Well, first of all, Mars is way too cold for humans to live on. Way too cold. So they need some way of being able to like let life live there. And they found out something that would work. If they moved cockroaches there, if they left cockroaches on the planet, and over a span of about 500 years it was, what cockroaches do is cockroaches go there, they die. When they die, they turn into moss. Moss helps something with the atmosphere, and eventually it lets the sunlight get through. The sunlight could already get through, but it wasn't doing anything because of other elements that it said were on the planet at the time. But the moss is helping it break through, and it's heating the planet up. The cockroaches can withstand the cold. Anyways, 500 years in the future, and they started sending the astronauts up there to go and see what the problem was. And they sent up each of the astronaut flights are called Bug. So Bug 1 was the first one to go up, and Bug 1 basically got up there, and they sent back transmissions about an alien or something like that, and that was about it. They all died. Nobody came back. Well, no, they don't know if everyone died, but no one came back, so obviously there's a sign. Anyways, they send Bug 2 up, and their best way to cope with this is they basically use these genetic things to rewrite the genetic code inside of people, you know, and it makes them, what I'm trying to think, it makes them just a lot more like bugs, basically. They inject bugs into each of these people, 15 people that are going up there, so they each have a special power now, basically. And it's just, the action scenes were really good, and like they get up there, all of a sudden people start dying, and you know, random shit's going on. They get up there and they're expecting, they're just going on fucking pesticide thing, you know, spraying pesticides everywhere to kill the bugs. What happened was the cockroaches adjusted to the planet, and they grew to the size of humans, maybe even taller, and they adjusted to the heat difference, and they got crazy strong, because in reality cockroaches can lift 100 times their body mass. So imagine that, and then imagine them growing into a human. They can lift 100 times what a human can. It's just insane, and their powers. Anyway, they get on this planet, and everything's going fine, you know, and then all of a sudden they just start getting attacked. They're dropping left and right, and I'm not going to go much deeper than that because I don't want to ruin it, because that's probably like second chapter out of the first volume. But anyways, very good. Very good. Definitely recommend it. It was, I love the look of the cover, actually. Like, I don't know why, but that's such a fucking cool cover. It's like blue and black and white. I don't know. I just really like the look of it. But I definitely do recommend checking this out. I'm going to talk quick about the anime that's coming out. Anime is scheduled for this in the fall of this year, I believe. Yeah, the fall of this year. If they do it right, it could be really good. It's one of the hyped ones this fall, along with, I can't remember the other one. There's another hyped one, but I just can't think of the name. Anyways, this could do very good, and it has a really interesting plot. And then there's all these other questions that get thrown around about, I can't even remember their name, but about, like, I'm thinking another extraterrestrial group. Like, they were talking about before the 5th planet in the solar system got destroyed. What's the 5th planet in the solar system? There's Mercury, is it Venus, Earth, or Mercury, Venus? Is Venus? I can't even fucking remember. Earth, Mars, and then I think they believe there was a 5th planet there. And they thought that it was some sort of extraterrestrial life, or maybe it was Mars, I can't remember. And anyways, it got destroyed and obliterated, but they think that the life forms might have moved to Mars, because there's like these fucking pyramids on Mars. But then again, these bugs have been there for 500 years, and they've grown to the size of humans, and they no longer look like bugs. They more replicate man. They have actual arms and legs, and they stand up, they have heads, and they've gotten advanced, they talk to each other, things like that. I mean, you can't understand a fucking word, but still, it's just a lot different, and I really did enjoy this. I definitely recommend this manga to anyone who likes, action. It's kind of an action. There's a lot of blood and gore in this, so if you're not good on the blood and gore, then don't even try it, because there was quite a bit of blood and gore in this manga. Anyway, this basically just explains Bug 1 and Bug 2. Bug 1 and Bug 2. The majority, at the end of this one, it's the end of Bug 2, basically. The voyage to Mars to try and exterminate, but I believe that the rest of the series is about the main character going back to Mars for vengeance and things like that. It's in, like, the next bug unit that gets sent out. It's just going to be really good. I cannot wait. I want to read more of this already. So, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember, always send me stuff to check out, mangas, animes, anything really that you want me to check out, I'll go and check out. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.